What's good, YouTube? My name is Jason and y'all already know what it is. I'm back at it again, man. I just want to say thanks for all the love and support I've been getting. My channel is really growing, like this thing rolling out. I'm almost at 10,000 channel views and I've only been doing videos for a month. So like, it's been so amazing. I just want to thank y'all. Thank you so much for all the love and support. Keep getting them thumbs up, keep liking, subscribing, all that good stuff. I'll continue to bring y'all more content. But without further ado, I'm messing up today. Got another reaction video for y'all. This video is called 13-year-old Jeffrey Lee sings incredible rendition of You Raise Me Up on America's Got Talent. Now, so this is like the second 13-year-old I've reacted to from America's Got Talent. If you guys haven't checked out my other reaction to this other 13-year-old girl on America's Got Talent, make sure you check that out. I'll put the link to that in the description down below. But without further ado, let's hop right into it, man.
My name is Jeffrey Lee. I'm 13 years old, and I come from Toronto, Canada.
Okay.
From the 6. You from the 6.
You'll be singing class today?
This outfit kind of clean, too.
And have you ever sang in front of so many people before? No. There's a lot of people.
Yeah, it's a lot of people.
They make you nervous at all, or?
Yeah.
Y'all making him nervous.
What would you do with $1 million?
I'm the only child, so I would love a companion. I guess a dog?
A dog. With $1 million? $1 million
chosen, and why you've chosen it?
I'm gonna be singing You Raise Me Up by Josh Groban.
Yeah? And why this song?
And I'm singing this song because it really helped me when I was sad and when I'm lonely.
Because you haven't got a dog?
Yeah.
If you do well, I'm going to buy you a dog.
Thank you.
Oh, wow. I'm even gonna buy my dog.
And we'll choose one together.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
That's a lot of
Let's
pressure.
do this one for the doggy.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, man. Wow.
When troubles come, my heart burns in me.
Wow.
Still and back to you in silence until you come and sit around with me.
Wow.
You raise me up.
Oh my God. Wow. Oh, he's feeling it now. He's feeling it.
I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up.
Oh yeah, he got the crowd into it. You did it, bro. You did it, bro. Man, he's making it look so easy though, like effortless, bro. Wow. That was incredible, bro. Like, for real.
Can I just say-
Man, what y'all think about that? Jeffrey Lee, man, definitely be on the lookout for him, bro. Like, he hit every single note perfectly, dog. Like, man, 13 years old, and for his voice to be developed like that, that is incredible, man. That is amazing, dog. Like, you'd be surprised at like how much talent is around the world, you know, like especially from the younger people, you know, 13 years old, man, I wish I could sing like that. But thanks for watching this video, man. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment. Be sure to check out some of my other videos too if you're new to the channel. Go ahead, check them out, man. I'll put them in the link in the description down below. And the link to this video will be in the description down below. Also, my social media is in the description down below. Everything is in the description down below, you know what I'm saying? But my name is Jason. It's been a pleasure, and I'm out.